Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Shabaq narrates that Hazrat Zayd bin Thabit radiyallahu anhu said, owing to the war with the people of Yamama, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu sent for me, while Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu was also accompanying him. Hazrat Abu Bakr said, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu has come to me and said, many Quran readers have been martyred in the battle of Yamama, and I therefore fear that the martyrdom of the Quran readers at many places will lead to the loss of much of the Quran. So I suggest that you may pass orders to collect the Quran. I thereupon said, how should I do a task which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has not done? Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, but by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it is a good action. So Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu kept insisting me until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu opened my heart for what He Jalla Jalaluhu had opened the heart of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, and my opinion became similar to that of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Zayd narrates that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, you are a young and intellectual man, and none impose any accusation on you, and you used to write down the revelation for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So you should compile the Quran, searching it with a strenuous effort. Hazrat Zayd radiyallahu anhu says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if I had been commanded to shift a mountain from one place to another, it would not have been more onerous job for me than to compile the Quran. I thereupon submitted, why do you both do a task which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not perform? Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it is good. So he radiyallahu anhu continued insisting me until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu opened my breast for what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu opened the breast of Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, and my opinion became similar to that of both of them. So I started searching for the Quranic verses and collecting them from the date palm leaves, hides, stones, and the people's hearts. I found the last words of chapter repentance. Assuredly, there has come to you an apostle from yourselves. Heavy upon him is your suffering, to the end of the chapter. From none but Hazrat Khuzaimah or Hazrat Abu Khuzaimah. So I put it at the end of the chapter. So this volume of the Quran compiled remained in the custody of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu during his lifetime. And when he passed away, it remained with Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu during his lifetime until he passed away, then with Hazrat Hafsa, the daughter of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. Muhammad bin Ubaidullah states that al-likhaf means gravels. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7191.